So there is a very big question whether we should go for a coaching or not. Those who have gone already for a coaching think that that's not an optimum thing that they have done. Those who haven't always have a question in the back of their mind. What should we do? If we would have joined, it would have been better or not. So what we are trying to do today is bring out a kind of clear picture in front of you. So first thing that you need to understand is, let it be 20 years or 30 years down the lane, the coaching institutes played an important role because nothing was available online. Very few people had access to the internet, and most of the information, even the notification for the exams, were available offline. Either you have to follow the employment news or some newspaper to get the information, but now everything is online. You directly have access to the things or the notifications that usually were brought by some other platform to you previously. So that's one thing that has changed over the year. The second important thing is there are numerous platforms like be it Neptel, be it Swayam, MOOC, ExamRace. So all these are trying to bring in free, affordable, quality videos for you. So that's something that's very, very important. So whatever videos, lectures you are going through, make sure you are going through a reputed, authentic and a quality source. Reading or going through just online source is not complete within itself. You definitely have to go through the books, practice a lot of questions. So that's something essential. Hard work is the key. The next important thing is, even if you are enrolled with a coaching, you must have a clear understanding in mind that all the subjects cannot be best at under one roof. There is very less probability. You can have one or two subjects that are excellent, but for the other subjects you might feel that you are struggling. So if you are going through a self-preparation mode, it could be online, it could be offline, whatever medium you choose, but you have your own way of moving forward. So let's say if I am working as per my course syllabus or my college syllabus or my school syllabus, I can optimize my study with the same topics that are running or going in my curriculum. But if I join an institute, I have to remain customized to the institute. So whatever courses, whatever topics are being covered during those periods, I have to cover that, which creates an undue pressure on the student because they have to cover what's going into their respective schools and colleges as well as what is being done in the coaching institutes, creating a huge amount of competition, peer pressure, which ultimately is not good even for your future, not only just for 2 years or 3 years of your life. The next important thing is, these institutes are now getting much more students in. So the idea of personalized attention, which used to be there 20 years back, 30 years back, is slowly and gradually declining. You have arenas where students are filled in huge numbers, and it's a kind of mass media communication that's being talked about. The next important thing is, now let's say a student thinks about going through a self-preparation. When you are talking about self-preparation, there is one thing that's always in your mind. If I would have joined the coaching institute, it would have been better. My friends are doing so. My family says so. So on and so forth. So the most important thing to understand here is, once you are commuting, you are spending a lot of time. Coming to the studio used to take me few minutes 2 years back, and 2 years later it's nearly 5 times and 10 times the time I used to take previously. So the things have been changing very drastically. The era, the generation is changing very drastically. In order to have the same pace, you either have to save your time that you are spending or focus your time on a good strategy. So the first and the foremost thing for self-preparation is keep a schedule. Unless and until you have a schedule, you won't be able to succeed. And that's something that students gain from a coaching institute. You have to maintain a schedule. So once you are up with a schedule, try to maintain regularity. You can join in mock test series. That's a good idea to work for, because that would give you practice, that would give you a field where you can analyze your position, your standing, and understand which areas you are weak in. The next important thing is, Form a group of like-minded, hard-working students who are dedicated and not just spending time in other activities. So you would have a good closed interaction when you are unable to solve certain questions, a good interaction with the books, the strategies, the topics that are upcoming for your exam, the important things. The next important thing is system. The system is trying to maintain a lot of dynamism. As a result, the coaching institutes have to struggle a lot. Sometimes there is change in the syllabus, sometimes there is change in the pattern of examination, the way the examination is conducted, the types of questions that are asked. So, what is important is you have to have the key, and that's knowledge, and that comes only through hard work, dedication, lot of practice, lot of effort. Sometimes students feel that if they don't join a coaching institute, what would happen if they are not able to succeed? Who are they going to blame? So you don't have to blame anyone, because if you are not even joining any institute, you are working on a self-preparation module, you would definitely succeed if you have been working hard. The only thing you need to focus is work hard, work consistently, don't take undue long breaks, because that would skip a lot of important things from your mind. Also, recently I was searching for some good materials and stuff for one of my cousins for JEE. I found on most of the websites, most of the advertisements, the same topper, the same picture is being replicated. Now, I am not able to understand how it is really possible. If you can, you might. But a same person, how can he join so many institutes at the same go and study from so many institutes? Everyone has 24 hours only in a day. So you have to be very aware about the misleading advertisements that are there. Students come up to me asking, what's your institute result? How do the students from your organization perform? So definitely, we from our side work, and that's it. We don't go back to the students, look for the result, go back to the students and ask for their contact numbers. So that's something that you have to understand while you are focusing on any organization, any specific institute, or any specific lectures that you are trying to focus. Make sure that you go to the authentic sources, well-defined quality lectures, and that's paramount, because when there is a world of online lectures, you might be betrayed with lot of false information that's also present there. So make your judgments very wisely, very carefully, and as I said, hard work is the key. Consistency is the key. So keep working consistently and do a hard work. There is no shortcut to success. And once you are doing that, you'll surely succeed. Have a wonderful day ahead.